Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point Heat Exchangers and Blue Baron Truck Mounts. It's May 2021, and we're as busy as always building these really sturdy truck mounts, high-performing units, super high quality, open concept, easy breathe. You don't get that choked up, congested type of cabinetry like, say, Sapphire Scientific, which that gives them a very high fail rate because of the trapped in heat. Everything here is easy breathe and easy to fix. What more would you want? You got high performance, super high quality with all stainless heater, 3,500 pounds pressure rated tubing in this heat exchanger here, so you get full capability of the high pressure end, not like manufacturers that use the copper coil, which fails very easy at about 1,000 psi. Usually it'll blow the tubing, but with this unit you can go full max on it and not ever have to worry about hurting the heat exchanger, and you're going to get excellent heat. We've been doing this for 15 years, got a lot of experience, sold a lot of these units, sold thousands of these Access Point heat exchangers to augment other people's existing units. We even sold to the discontinued ProChem aftermarkets, had referrals from John Don, even ProChem when they were in business. Just a lot of manufacturers have recognized us for our high quality heat exchangers, which is an icon of our Blue Baron series of truck mounts. And here we have a beautifully skirted quarter plate, powder coated, heavy steel frame, and it's a lifetime warranty frame, beautifully designed, beautifully cut out, all laser cut, precision. Everything's where it's supposed to be, easy to fix, easy to get into, bar stock type brass fittings, user-friendly panel with an aviation throttle that you can get micro adjusted RPMs in between, where you just, it's not like a T-throttle where you just push it out and it's very, very crude. With this, it's very sturdy. I mean, they use this for aircraft, thousands of feet up in the air, so you know that this type will be very dependable. So it's just all nicely organized all the way across, and we even have a tachometer as well as a bonus hour meter, temperature gauge, vacuum gauge, pressure gauge, thermal light that turns on when you're doing a thermal dump. This is your blue accessory light that shows that you got 12 volts feeding this front panel. You got a aluminum, a diamond plate aluminum panel, which brings very attractive look to the unit. You've got a hand adjuster unloader. You got your drain for your water box, your inlet, and you have your WD-40 inlet that goes in to protect the lobes of your blower, your last step injection, and two ports that allow you to be able to do two carpet wands, or you could have one feeding a pre-sprayer at the same time. Another guy could be, or a person could be carpet cleaning in another section of the job. So it gives you full versatility. A lot of these units don't have double ports, but we put them on there for the ease and convenience for the carpet cleaning professionals. So we have a thermostat here that adjusts your temperature. Everything's where you want it. Hand adjuster unloader. Don't have to use a wrench for a hex type head regulator like a lot of these units have. This is all hand adjusted, easy to get to, easy to adjust your pressure. You even have a telephone number here that shows the website and our telephone number as an informational thing in case you ever have questions while you're operating out in the field or at home. And we got convenient outlets here, 12 volts. Separated by a fuse, can be for freshwater pump or waste pump out, and everything's here. You got a beautiful belt guards here for your protection, and we've got last step injection. The AR pump is a really nice pump, very resilient to high heat. It's got a 24 millimeter shaft, which it's very sturdily built. I mean, it's a sturdy, resilient to heat. Takes a lot of punishment, these AR pumps. And everything is here. We got a water box, all stainless header. I mean, look at this. All stainless 316, fully machined. Everything's machine taper with TIG welded stainless 308L rod. A real working unit. We do a lot to build up our units with super high quality parts, and everybody knows that, you know, stainless and materials are going up. We may have a slight pay increase. I mean, you know, like increase because our stainless is going up, up and up. Everything's going up, but we have been able to maintain pricing. But like anything, these were underpriced to begin with. For what you're getting in comparison to what John Don sells, this far exceeds anything, because the engine is a Kohler, which is the most popular hard-driven type of testimonial engine in the market today. 10,000 repair shops, dealers worldwide. The Gardner Denver blower is a very expensive blower, very well engineered, good displacement. Positive displacement gives you excellent CFM, 250 CFM from this 3MR blower, and 20.5 horse Kohler gives you plenty of torque and heat. So we're happy with what we've done with our truck mounts, and we're bringing them. The orders are coming in every day, and we're putting a lot into them. As you can see, that there's no galvanized steel here. This is all stainless. This is your heater side. This is your blower side. Just really happy with what we've done. So easy to get to. You got pullbacks here. You got a tensioner down over there that allows you to get perfect angular adjustment on your pulleys. Same way on this side. You've got a pullback on this side built into the frame, so you get perfect tension. Nicely put together unit, easy to get to, so that when you want to loosen the bolts, it's easy to get underneath here, and you're not pulling louvered covers off and hurting your knuckles and getting scrapes and bumps and bruises just trying to do a simple belt change out. You should take 15 minutes, no more, 15-20 minutes to do a belt change out. And the good thing about it is all three of these belts are the same size. So one size fits all. You got two for your blower, double groove pulley, B-size belts, and the same for your AR pump. Real simple. And in today's world of cleaning and maintenance, all you want to do is have it simple. That's what it's all about. You don't want complicated truck mounts with louvered covers and high heat, big heat tent that destroys your engine and blower and short lifes your whole unit. You want something that that's easy breathe, easy to get into, easy to fix. A lot of these parts are easy to obtain in local industrial shops. We'll carry these. We're always ahead of the game with our heaters, so we carry a lot of this. 15 years of building, we have not changed our heat exchanger. The same one would fit way back 15 years ago in any one of those truck mounts. We're not going to be like ProChem that all of a sudden drops the ball on all these ProChem users, whether it be of Bruins or Legends or Performer, and then they say, hey, guess what? You can't get a heater for them. That's not what we're all about. We're about longevity. We're here to stay. Blue Baron is registered trademark. We have a U.S. patent on this heater. And we're here to stay in the industry and do all that we can for our carpet cleaning professionals. So call us today at 727-505-2989 or visit us online 24/7, truckmountstore.com. And we're here to answer any of your questions. Visit us here in Holiday, Florida. Give us a call. Thank you.